What's up, my crypto legends? I have him here again. Carl from the moon is going to give his opinion on the market situation. Are we going to see a massive bear market? Are we going to go sideways and then slightly recover? Carl from the moon, how are you doing today?
Hello, Andy. It's a huge privilege to be on your channel. I love your channel. Your TA is amazing. And obviously the crypto markets are in a current correction. I prefer when prices are going up, but it's a roller coaster. I'm getting used to this by now.
Yes, me too. Me too. I mean, I started in 2018, mid 2018 in the bear market. So I've been through several drops. I guess you get used to it, don't you?
100%. So you just have to turn off the emotions and just keep stacking those sets.
Absolutely. That's definitely a really good strategy. So, I mean, basically, I have a lot of people that are, scared. We have Twitter, a lot of people on Twitter calling for $10,000 Bitcoin already. Okay. Not even hitting 20,000, not even hitting 30,000 yet. What is your opinion? Where do you see, do you believe in the 4-year market cycles? Do you think the cycles are lengthening? Where do you see Bitcoin pushing in the position right now? And what do you think can happen in the next coming months and years?
Yeah, I actually made a collaboration with Bitboy Crypto on my channel. And he thinks that Bitcoin could go to $10,000 based on the previous bear market corrections in Bitcoin. Personally, I don't think we're ever gonna go down to 10K again, because Bitcoin historically never went below the previous cycle top. So I think it's very unlikely that Bitcoin is going to go below $20,000. That's my personal opinion. Can we go down to 20K though? Yes, I think 20K is definitely a possible target, but $30,000 is definitely the big support that everyone is watching right now. We need to hold 30K. And as long as we hold 30K, then I think we're pretty much fine.
Yeah, absolutely. I think yesterday I did a video on the bearish case scenario. If really like we got a meeting on the Federal Reserve tomorrow, see if they're going to put interest rates high or not. We've also got an election, mid-election year also in the US. So I think they're going to try and keep interest rates close to zero, in my opinion. And, the markets are still going to pump because of the elections. And maybe this is going to be good for Bitcoin and crypto. So maybe that 30K support range is definitely going to hold, in my opinion, also. So right, I think you're bullish, right? You think $30,000 could be a strong base. We could maybe dip slightly below, in your opinion.
Right now, I think it's probably like a 60% chance that we at least get a small dip below 30K, like a liquidity grab, and then come back up again. And 40% that we're just going to bounce and go back up again. Approximately that's what I would say. All
right, cool. Yeah, I think I have my bullish case scenario is also, we should definitely hold that 30K range. A little bit of volatility is also possible. And so, Carl, I have a few people asking me in the Telegram group about Kasta. When is it going to be launched? When is the app going to be launched? Any good news coming? I know the team is working every single day, 24/7.
Yes.
Do you have any news for the community about Kasta?
Yeah, I can actually show you, like, the team is right over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not the whole team, obviously, but we have some people over there that are working, and I'm working over here. And yes, day and night, guys, we're working very hard. I told my audience already that I want to make Kasta the best app in the world for sending crypto and fiat. I think Kasta, the app, will be incredible. I already tried it myself here. It's an amazing app, and the tech team is amazing. They are doing an incredible job. And yeah, the app will be live, publicly live, within a couple of months, 3 months maximum. It's already finished, but we're just touching up some stuff.
Yeah, definitely. You want to get the app fully functional, right? Without any disasters. Try and get the best app out there. Yeah.
Because we have so many Castians. I think we have like 300,000-400,000 Castians already that are ready to use the app, and that are ready to be with us long term. So we have to make sure that we create a fantastic product and that we can handle the hype, because the hype we have around Kasta is something I've never seen before. There's no other project in the crypto space that ever had so much hype and so much positivity and stuff. So we have to maintain that somehow. It's a very luxurious problem to have, but it is an issue that we have to take care of, because obviously at the launch of Kasta, we completely broke Bybit because we were too many Castians at the same time trying to buy. So essentially, the problem we have is that we have too much hype. We have too many people. So we need to open up the app in segments. So everyone cannot just use the app on day one. We have to use the wait list, and the sooner you are in the wait list, the sooner you will use the app. So join the wait list as soon as possible, I would say.
All right, Carl, thank you very much for that update on Kasta and the Bitcoin and crypto market. Anything else you want to say to my community before we wrap up?
Keep stacking sats, buy the dip, accumulate, hold for the long term. Don't stare at the charts all day. Realize that Bitcoin is a long-term thing. Stack those sats and hold for at least like a 4-year horizon.
Absolutely, totally true, totally true. All right, Carl, thank you very much.
And subscribe to my channel.
Absolutely, yeah, the link will be down below. Thank you, Carl, and I will see you in the next one.